Challenge accepted. How to learn in Coursera? Absolutely for free. You know what? I have been giving this information for so many years now. I want to take it one step further. This time, what if we want to learn AI marketing for free? First, go to Coursera.org. Click on Join for Free. Continue with Google. Piliin ang tamang email and then click on Continue sa pop. Piliin kung anong applicable sa'yo. Click on Next. Again, piliin kung anong applicable sa'yo and then Next. Again, piliin kung anong bagay sa'yo and click on job title mo. May natapos ka na ba? And then click on Finish. Because we want to learn for free, we don't want to do the free trial. I-no thanks mo yan. Mayabang tayo, di ba? Hover your mouse on top of Explore at dito sa baba, oops, ano yun? Browse free courses. There are thousands and thousands of courses that you can take here. Again, taking it one step further, we want to learn AI for marketing. How do we do that? Search bar, free AI for marketing, very basic. Click on learning product and then click on courses. Intro to AI marketing free, intelligent marketing free. Kita mo yon, free. Just click on that and click on go to course. Ayan ha, pinagayat ko na kayo ng rekado. Nakuluan ko na rin yung karne. Sinalang ko pa. Kumbagay, lulutuin nyo na lang. Yun, eto naman yung challenge ko para sa mga Edisons of the world. Alam kong mahirap ang buhay ngayon. Not many people have dedicated budget for learning. If you want to learn for free, that is possible. It will take time and probably thousands and thousands of videos. Sometimes it would feel overwhelming. However, a person who is truly motivated to learn about the industry will find ways. So kung wala pa tayong learning budget, we have to make up for it by being resourceful. And when I say being resourceful, dun sa video ko na kinumentan, pinakita ko na rin lahat kung paano everything. Pero meron pa rin naligaw na kagaya ni Edison at yung mga nagahaw dun sa video na yon. Alala ko tuloy nung una, hindi ako pwedeng maging tamad kasi ako ay walang pera. Kasi kapag pinag-combine ko, yung ako ay mahirap at ako ay tamad, buraot ang kinalalabasan. No? So, hindi pwedeng sabay yun, okay? Wala tayong budget, kailangan pumalo tayo sa pag-research. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more Work From Home Chismis. Bye!